Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cars, which is Gloria, and Juicy Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is ink blending. Next week's theme will be the color red. So it doesn't have to be a Valentine's Day card, even though next week it's Valentine's Day. It can be whatever you'd like, just use the color red. We also enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and please use her hashtag as well. All right, so this week, these are my ink blending colors, which will be Peacock Feathers, Picked Raspberry, and Twisted Citron. And I'm using a few new items. I have so many new items to use. I've never used this. Purchased this from Whimsy Stamps probably a little over a year ago. And I'm using these stars right here. I'm also using the Steamboat Willie Duo. And we're going to have Mickey. And I decided to go with this Simon Hurley 3D embossing folder party balloons. And then just recently picked this up, and this is the big from Honey. And here goes the card that I created. Normally I do not create 5x7 cards. A2 cards are what I normally create. I love that size, but the balloons were so big I thought it wouldn't do me any good to really create a smaller card, so I thought I would go with the bigger card this time. And I thought it turned out really cute. As you can tell, there goes that big paper hugs is what I thought I would get. And I just pulled the paper hugs from my little stash of sentiments that I have. And there goes Mickey. He's adorable. I did add some paint splatter across there using that India ink. I think it's India ink, something like that. I forgot to bring it out. But anyways, and then I just blended all those colors together. I thought that it turned out really cute. And here goes the inside of my card. This is where I use those that star die from Whimsy Stamps. And I thought it turned out perfect. And I really like how everything turned out. So if you have the chance and you would like to enter in on these collabs, make sure you use those hashtags so that we can come over and visit you. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.